Okay. We just got our brand new uHarvest indoor tabletop garden. Very excited. So I thought we would do a little unboxing video for you guys, show you how to set it up, see what it looks like. So stay tuned and we'll show you guys a little bit more about this very innovative hydroponic garden by IGWorks. Yay! Got my handy dandy box cutter. Cut away from you, never cut towards you. Ooh, fancy box. There we go. What's on this side? IGWorks uHarvest Indoor Garden. Opening the box. Ooh, okay, so what do we have here? Green machine. This appears to be nutrients. So that's nice. It actually comes with growing nutrients. That's awesome. User manual. Just going to very carefully pull out the unit. Very lightweight. So if you need to move it around or want to move it to a different room, whenever you feel the need, very easy to do so. That's really nice looking. It looks like it's digitized, and we'll show you guys kind of how to assemble it so you can see how it works. Okay, so we're just going to start by taking off the light cover here, and so we can access all of the accessory parts that are inside here. There we go, the LED light panel. So we're just gonna set that aside for a moment. Here is the net cup holder, or I guess you could call it the reservoir cover. That's what it says in the instructions. Light pole with the plug. Growing net cups. Comes with growing media, so that's nice. These also come with the kit. They're little support stands, so if your plants grow really tall and they start to lean, these come with the uHarvest so that you can plunk them into these little holes here in the reservoir cover so that your plants have extra support. First, you take your extendable light pole and you attach it to the lights, just like that, and flip it upside down and you stick it into the uHarvest. Before you put the reservoir cover on, there's this little plug that will plug into, electricity. So you're just going to stick it into these little slots just to keep it in place. Okay, so the next step after you've assembled the light cover is you're going to fill up the uHarvest to the max line and no further. I'd say that's good. So the uHarvest comes with this little pack of growing nutrients. It says plant food for greens and herbs, and it comes with a little scoop, and the instructions say to just add 1 scoop to the reservoir. Okay, there we go. There's 1 scoop. You can see that it's just a tiny little scoop. You obviously don't need much nutrients for you to grow. I'm just gonna carefully just kind of sprinkle that in. The next step is take your reservoir cover, reservoir? Did I just say it funny? Reservoir. And you place it on top of the reservoir. Like so. Oh, it's beautiful. So I have all of my bounty of seeds that I'm going to be planting into the uHarvest. So I'm gonna show you guys just a really quick sped up version of me planting all of my seeds and finishing setting up the uHarvest, turning it on so you can see the finished product. Welcome to my seed sprouting station. So I actually, a few days ago, made a little growing chart on my laptop of all the plants that I wanted to grow in my uHarvest. I also wrote down like the pH levels, nutrient levels that these plants can grow in optimally. I'm just being a little bit extra, but I want to make sure that my plants have a really good fighting chance and grow nice and strong. So I am now going to start plunking my seeds into the little net cups and set her up. I am planting some mint. These seeds are so tiny. You can barely see them, so I'm just really carefully sprinkling them in. I probably put in a few too many, to be honest, but I've always found that mint is like a hard one to grow, so the more seeds, the better. Depending on the kind of seed you're doing, anywhere from 2 to 3 is probably sufficient. If you do any more than that, you will probably run into overcrowding issues. But I usually do about 3 because, you know, not all of your seeds necessarily are going to sprout. So it's good to add a few extra just to increase your chances of your seeds sprouting successfully. Okay, so you've seen me put in a few seeds now, so I'm going to do the rest here and basically gonna make this my herb garden. We're doing dill, sage, cilantro, thyme, parsley, mint, basil. It's gonna be so beautiful. I'm so excited. So excited. Okay, let's do this. I won't make you watch me do all of this, so we're just gonna skip right ahead to the finished product. Ta-da! So here is the digital control panel. It's very simple to use, the uHarvest. This top icon here indicates the number of days until it's suggested that you check on the nutrient levels and fertilizer. So they recommend setting it to 14 days, so that's what I've done. They also recommend that you set the lights to be on for 16 hours in the beginning, so that's what I've set it to. This little sun indicates the brightness of the light. There's low, medium, and high. They recommend high, so that's what we've done here. You can set the time of day that it's on, as well as the number of days grown. It shows you like a little count up, I guess, of how many days your veggies and fruits have been growing. This little button with the 3 lines here is your control, so you can basically touch it and it will jump from, you know, area that you want to adjust. Yeah, so it's super like intuitive. I really like the control panel here. I like that it shows you how many days you've been growing. I like that the timers here are automatic for the lights. You don't have to think about when they turn on and off. I don't know if you can hear it at all, but the motor is on for the pump and it's super quiet. I'll shut up for a sec. I don't know if my phone can pick that up, but it's super, super quiet, so that's really nice. So there you have it, guys, the full unboxing and setup of the uHarvest from IGWorks. Now, we'll do a full in-depth review of our honest opinions and feedback on the unit in about 8 to 10 weeks once all the plants have been fully grown and beautiful and ready to harvest. So you're definitely gonna wanna make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on that future review. Honestly, we really do love the products that we have from IGWorks. If you guys have been following us for a little while, you know that we have the big sister to the uHarvest, the iHarvest, which is a larger unit that has 30 pods instead of 12 like the uHarvest. We love it. It has helped save us so much money on organic, pesticide-free, herbicide-free produce. We really love it, and it helps us eat a lot healthier as well. And I'm really, really excited to now also have the uHarvest because it's gonna help us even more to eat healthy, to get organic produce, and it just looks beautiful. Like, I can tell it's a very well-made product. It feels good, it's sturdy, nothing feels flimsy or cheap about it, and it's not an unreasonable price at all. If you guys are interested in checking out the uHarvest, you can head to the link that I have in my bio. And if you're also interested in checking out the larger version, the iHarvest, we've already done a full in-depth review on that product. You can check it out up here. We'll have it linked below for you. We've got a promo code for that unit as well that you guys can take advantage of. And that's it. Let us know if this was helpful, and if you have any other questions that maybe I didn't answer in this review, I'd be happy to help you out in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye!